we are getting ready to build a Christmas tree.
DIY Christmas tree.
It's gonna be really pretty, and we're gonna show you how we build it.
And we also made Christmas ornaments, which we are going to hang on the Christmas tree if we can. And we're using a tire. We painted the tire green so it matched more to the Christmas vibes.
Found this really weird looking thing, and we painted that green too. By looking at these, you might think, what type of Christmas tree are we making? You have to wait till the end to see how this turns out. So, this is the tire, and we put this thing in the middle of the tire, like that. And we used wires and make the shape of a Christmas tree. And we also put bricks inside, so the tire will be holding and will be strong.
Our parents bought some decorations. Let's see what they brought. A star to put on top of the Christmas tree. Oh, some lights so it will be more pretty. Look at these. There's a snowman. Do you like it? Wait, what's this? I think it might be an egg or something. And they brought so much of these. Look at this. Look.
So we have these garlands. We're gonna wrap it around this, and also we're gonna wrap it with the lights so it will look pretty.
Look, now you can see it looks like a Christmas tree.
Friends, this is the final look of our Christmas tree, and as you can see, we decided to leave a little space between two of these garlands like this, because one, it looks much prettier, two, we ran out of garlands. Now let me show you our Christmas tree with the lights on. Friends, we decided to decorate the entrance like this. This is a butterfly light. You can see it's the shape of butterfly, and some cute ornaments hanging from it, and a big star in the middle. Now let me show you how this looks with the lights on.